Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This is Module 5 of Business Math. And in this section, we're going to really expand on our understanding of interest, and we're going to apply it to some really important financial areas that affect you in your personal life and in business. Borrowing and investing money, particularly large sums of money, over longer periods of time. And we're going to start with compound interest, which is a lot more complicated than simple interest, but still it's very doable, and you have lots of tools that you can use to help you that are all in your module. Unlike simple interest, compound interest allows interest to be earned on both the original principal and any previously earned interest. And you're going to learn how compounding works and how it can significantly increase the value of an investment or the cost of a loan over time. I will tell you, studying all this out will make you very intent on getting all of your debt paid off as quickly as possible. Because when you start looking at this compound interest and what you end up paying on what you originally borrowed, you're like, I don't like this. I think it hits us all kind of hard. It did me. As I was studying this module, I was like, ooh, I need to get that car note taken care of. It's just something that can help you, but it can give you better tools to understand your own financial planning. Then we're going to move on to mortgages, which is just its specific word for loans that are used to purchase real estate, right? You have a mortgage on your house. If you buy a building for a business, you're going to have a mortgage on that. And we're going to start with fixed rate mortgages. And that just means that the interest rate and the payments that you owe are going to stay the same the whole time. If it's a 5-year loan or a 30-year loan, the interest rate, the payments are going to be the same. They're very stable. They're very predictable in budgeting. We are also going to look at adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs. These loans have interest rates that can change over time based on market conditions. And people often get pulled into these because they might offer you a very, very low rate to begin with. Or if your credit's not great, they may offer you one of these where they wouldn't offer you a fixed rate mortgage. They can start with lower rates, but they also have a high risk because if market potential or changes occur, it has the potential to increase your payments a great deal. So entering into an adjustable rate mortgage is always something you need to do with caution and an eye to the future of how you might change your financing as time goes by. We're also going to look at second mortgages where loans are taken out using a home's equity as collateral. They're often used for large expenses or investments. Maybe somebody wants to open a business, so they take out a second mortgage on their home, that type of thing. We're also going to look at home equity loans and home equity lines of credit, which are also known as HELOCs. These allow homeowners to borrow against the value of their home, either in a big lump sum or as a flexible line of credit that would act almost like a credit card. And understanding how these work is important for making informed financial decisions, because we need to always understand the possible ramifications of what we're doing when we borrow money. Okay, guys, with every module, this is working the same way. I know I say it every time, but you got your practice quizzes, and then you have your assessment. Same as always, 2 chances. Calculator is in Canvas. You can use a page of notes that shows formulas you needed to write down. Make sure you understand the concepts, especially before you go into that second round of taking your assessment if you need it. If you need help with any of this information, just reach out to me. And we have one more module. I will see you in Module 6.